In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to install grommets in your favorite Greenstyle pullovers or joggers. A few supplies are needed to install grommets, but it's a quick and easy process. I will be demonstrating on a scrap piece of fabric. You'll need a small square of fusible interfacing, an erasable pen or marker, scissors, and a hammer. You can purchase a pack of grommets from your local craft store. Most grommet kits come with a small metal tool used to secure the grommet prongs. Let's take a look at the grommets. There are 2 grommets per set. One will have slightly longer prongs. This one will also have a smaller internal circumference than the grommet with the shorter prongs. The grommet with the taller, smaller circumference will nestle into the other grommet during installation. First, iron interfacing to the wrong side of the garment on top of the mark transferred from the pattern. You may need to remark your dot onto the interfacing. Next, fold the fabric in half over the mark and make a small 1/4 inch snip with your scissors. Fold in half the other way and snip a second time. An X should be centered at your mark. Turn the garment right side up. Take the longer, narrower grommet piece and place it right over the crosshairs of your X. Press the grommet into the fabric, opening the X. Continue to press the grommet in place until the fabric opens up to allow the grommet ring to lay flush. This will push the fabric up around the prongs. Grab the shorter, wider grommet piece and place the prongs against the interfacing. Work the wider prong into position so it sits flush around the fabric. Once it's settled in place, the order from inside to outside will be taller prongs pointing straight up, fabric, and the ring of the second grommet. On the right side, you'll simply see a smooth grommet facing. The final step is to secure the prongs. Lay the fabric wrong side up on the table surface and place the tool on top of the grommet and prongs. Hold the tool in place and strike a few times with the hammer. The tool will open up the prongs to secure it to the outer grommet. Check that all prongs are laying flush to the metal and don't stick up to catch fabric or skin. The right side will be a smooth metal ring opening. Repeat for additional grommet holes and finish sewing your project.